Hello, I just want to make sure everybody knows where and how to access all of the problems for Math 101. And there were some questions about the textbook, so I want to make sure that everybody's got a very good grasp of how to find their reading as we move through the course. One of the best places to find your weekly reading, I'm going to go to week 1. And I'm going to click on here to begin. And then it says week 1 lecture. So these are great little lecture notes down here. But if you click on this online lecture, it will bring up this nice little presentation type setting for you. And there's a link here for weekly readings. Click on that weekly readings link and you will be able to see here. Let me move my screen over. Basically for week 1, Fundamentals of Math, chapter 1, 2, and 3. Here's the reading suggestions there. And then there's the PDF for each of the chapters from the Fundamentals of Mathematics textbook. The WIN workbook is also here, level 3, 4, and 5. And these are the lessons that you can do from there. These are extra workbook problems that are wonderful to work through for extra practice if you are feeling a little bit shaky on a certain topic. So again, we'll just quickly go through. You go into weeks. You find your link for weeks. At the top of your week is a lecture. You'll click on that lecture, and inside the lecture at the very top, you will see your weekly readings. When you click on weekly readings, you will have access to the correct readings that you need there. Another way or another look at finding your readings is in your tracking calendar. If you click your Welcome Start Here link or button, you can download your tracking calendar, and the tracking calendar for Math 101 here, right at the top, it's got some textbooks here, and this link will give you access to those textbooks, and then instead of specific sections, you will have access to all of the chapters for these online textbooks. So I hope that's helpful, and I hope that you are reading and working through some problems. Don't forget to post your questions when you're stuck, okay? Okay.